The groomsman, first up. He's called Joe, am I correct? Alright. Joe Hilario? Alright. I wonder why. Please welcome Mr. Joseph Alfonso.
Hello everyone, I'm Joe Alfonso, Chet's second cousin from Seattle. I live with Weng and Chet and Char. But first off, congratulations Chet and Weng. You have a, second time around, a beautiful wedding. I'm glad we were able to make it out here. I've known Chet all my life, basically since we were little kids. He's my second cousin, but he's, basically, feels like my first cousin, just like my other cousins. But he's the closest one that I'm with out of all the cousins that we have over in the States. Chet has been just like my brother Patrick, another brother to me. He's, Chet has always been there, even though I'm older than him, he's always respected me. He's big, but he can't do anything to me. So I'm his mom to him, but he's always respected me. The one thing growing up, with me and Chet, we've always, with all our other cousins, just every time we go out, we always go out together. When we go out, it's like I always have to make sure he's with us. Because he brings that sense of security. I think he intimidates everybody. So big. But with Chet, having that sense of security, I think he'll make a great father. Just because, a great father, a great husband. I think Weng, you should feel very secure with Chet. He's the type of guy that'll make sure you're okay, he'll protect you. Just like how he is when we go out, with our friends and cousins. He's always there to look out for us. That's why he always seems so comfortable when he's around, when we go out clubbing, drinking, or getting into trouble. But, Weng, Chester, I wish you guys many years. I want to see you two grow old, watch Charlene when she gets older, and I wish you the best. So, God bless both of you, and everyone raise your champagne, and toast to them. Congratulations, Weng and Chester.
Alright, thank you, Joseph. Big applause, please, for Joseph Alfonso. At this moment, we call it probably another